Hi, my name's Simon and I'm a Security Solutions Architect at Swimlane, and today I'm going to take you through a refresh that we have completed of the Threat Intelligence application. And we've redesigned this application from the ground up, focusing on simplification and user experience, looking to minimize the number of clicks required and presenting as much information as possible to the user as soon as the record opens. So we've created two new specific widgets to work inside this use case, and they're designed to be flexible and responsive to any API changes that happen to our threat intelligence providers, so you don't have to constantly go in and create new, rename, or delete any existing fields. So let's dive in and take a look. So you create a record just as usual and fill out the same information, the type of domain and an indicator that you would like to look up, and then click Save. So you notice that the main widget at the top here shows some information about the threat intelligence that we've received. So it's got a determination, which is currently suspicious. This says that the type is a domain, and we can see that there's 4 logos here with a different opacity to the others. So these 4 results have returned, whereas the other ones have not. And it's likely that in this case, there's just no, it's not being queried because there's no relevant information that those threat providers will have on domains. So we can see that we've got results from VirusTotal, Hybrid Analysis, URL House, and Alien Vault. Now we can have a look and see down the bottom here at the actual results. So for each enrichment that we've received back, it basically gets viewed by the user in this single table. So no matter how many different fields there are or whether they're changing, it'll always display everything that's available, and you can scroll and have a look at the information and drill down into the JSON to see any information that you would like. You can see that for hybrid analysis, for example, there's nothing found, but URL House also has some information. If we look just to the right of the screen, you can see that there is the comments and logs. So we've kind of designed this split screen approach so you can see all the results on the left and then any comments that have been left by analysts previously on the right. And then by going into the log, you can see all the changes that have been made on this record throughout time. So this helps provide a really all-in-one view, a single pane of glass, so you don't have to scroll around and look for information. Everything's there for you to understand exactly why a piece of a indicator has been given a certain rating of suspicious or malicious or benign. Another enhancement we've made is the ability to configure which threat sources to use. So we've found that a lot of customers don't wish to use everything that is available, and so under support and configuration, you can specify which lookup tool you actually want to use. So you can set these defaults in the application, so then perhaps if you want to set URL scan to never look up, or for maxmind not to be used, you can do so. You can also choose whether or not to sandbox URLs, and there's a couple of tools that we have built into the use case already that you can choose to turn on and off if you would like. Thank you all for your time today. I hope that was a good overview. Have a great day, and thank you so much.